Have you ever thought about why some people try to get back together with their ex after breaking up? Well, let's talk about a powerful technique called the no contact rule. It's like a secret strategy some people use to heal after a breakup, and maybe even fix their relationship with their ex. But what is it exactly and how does it work? What is the no contact rule? The no contact rule means taking a break from talking to your ex after breaking up. That means no calls, no texts, and definitely no checking their social media. It's like pressing pause on your relationship to give both of you time and space to feel better. It might seem tough, but it can really help in the long run. To fully understand how the no contact rule works and why it's effective, be sure to watch the entire video. At the end, we'll even share a bonus tip to help you navigate this challenging time even better. So stay tuned and keep watching. Number 1, the relief stage. After a breakup, there's often a feeling of relief. It's like when you take off a heavy backpack after a long hike. During this time, people might feel lighter and happier because they're not dealing with the stress of the relationship anymore. This is a time when people might focus on themselves and do things they enjoy. They might hang out with friends, play sports, or spend time outdoors. It's a bit like taking a break to recharge and feel better. Number 2, the curiosity stage. As time passes, people might start to wonder about their ex-partner. They might think about what they're doing and if they're thinking about them too. It's like when you're curious about what your old classmates are up to. People might check their ex's social media or ask friends about them. They might feel happy when they see their ex doing well, but also a bit sad that they're not together anymore. It's a mix of different feelings. Number 3, the worry stage. After a while, people might start worrying about their ex. They might wonder if they're okay or if they miss them too. It's like when you care about someone and want to make sure they're doing fine. During this stage, people might talk to their friends about their ex. They might feel bad for hurting them and wish things could be different. Sometimes they even think about reaching out to them to see if they're okay. Number 4, the realization stage. Eventually, people might realize they miss their ex and want to try again. They might remember all the good times they had together and wish they could go back to that. It's like when you realize you miss a friend you haven't seen in a while. During this time, people might start thinking about reaching out to their ex. They might want to talk about what went wrong and if they can fix it. It's a hopeful feeling that things could get better. Number 5, understanding no contact. The no contact rule is when people decide not to talk to their ex for a while after breaking up. It's like taking a break from each other to heal and figure out what they want. During this time, people might focus on themselves and do things they enjoy. It's a way to give each other space and time to think without the pressure of talking to each other. Number 6, coping strategies. During the no contact period, people might try different ways to cope with their feelings. They might talk to their friends, write in a journal, or do something creative. It's like finding ways to feel better when you're feeling sad or upset. Coping strategies are like tools you can use to deal with difficult emotions. They help you feel better and stay positive during tough times. It's important to find healthy ways to cope that make you feel good. Number 7, communication skills. When people decide to talk to their ex again, it's important to communicate clearly and respectfully. They should listen to each other's feelings and try to understand each other. Good communication can help them resolve any issues and move forward. Communication skills involve expressing yourself clearly and listening to others. It's important to share your thoughts and feelings honestly, while also respecting the other person's perspective. Effective communication can strengthen relationships and help resolve conflicts. Number 8, moving forward. After the no contact period is over, it's important to focus on moving forward with your life. Set goals for yourself and take steps to achieve them. Take care of yourself and do things that make you happy. Moving forward can help you feel better and be open to new opportunities in the future. Moving forward means leaving the past behind and looking towards the future with optimism. It's about setting goals, making plans, and taking steps to achieve them. Moving forward allows us to grow and learn from our experiences, becoming stronger and more resilient along the way. How long should the no contact rule last? Now you might wonder how long you should keep this no contact rule. Experts say at least 3 to 4 weeks is a good start. Some people even go for 6 weeks. Giving your ex space helps them realize what they miss And it gives you time to feel better too. So that's the power of the no contact rule. It helps both you and your ex heal and figure out what you want. Remember, it's essential to focus on yourself and your well-being during this time. Your ex might realize they miss you and want to get back together. But even if they don't, you'll come out stronger and ready for whatever comes next. If you want to learn more about relationships and get helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have questions or stories to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and take care.